While looking for the best weeding tool for your garden, you should consider the size of your garden, the types of weeds that grow in your areas, durability, and your comfort. Ariana Iapini of the Birch Arbor Gardens also suggests looking for high-quality products that will stand the test of time and have the ability to stand up to tough roots. We've rounded up the 9 best weeding tools, from a stand-up weeder that makes the process pain-free. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 weeding tools on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Grandpa's Weeder Stand-Up Weed Puller Tool. At 46 inches long, the Grandpa's Weeder Weed Puller Tool makes it possible to dig up weeds without needing to bend over or get on your hands and knees. Instead, it's comfortable for anyone to use. Just thrust the metal claw into the weed, tilt the bamboo handle, and pry the weed out. Unlike other stand-up weeders, this one uses leverage to remove the weed, rather than requiring the user to twist and pull. Its handle is made of bamboo, and its head is made of heavy-duty steel. This weeder has a 4-claw design that easily grabs onto weeds. Keep in mind that this weeder works particularly well after watering or rainfall, rather than on dry soil. Otherwise, you may find using it a bit more difficult. Product details: length, 46 inches, material, bamboo, powder-coated metal. View on Ace Hardware. Keep in mind, this weeding tool is best used after rainfall or watering when the soil is loose. Number 2. Fiskars 4-Claw Stand-Up Weeder. Lightweight at only 2.5 pounds, the Fiskars 4-Claw Stand-Up Weeder is our pick for the best weeding tool. We love that it makes weeding simple, and it has an ergonomic handle that is designed to reduce wrist strain. In order to use this weeding tool, which works on dandelions, thistles, and more, simply place the head of the tool over the weed, step down on the foot platform, and pull up to remove the weed. This tool has 4 serrated, stainless steel claws that effortlessly grab weeds by the root, completely taking them out of your garden. Then, use the easy eject mechanism to release the weed without having to do so by hand. Keep in mind that weeding tools like this one tend to also pull out dirt alongside the weeds. If you want to avoid marks in your lawn, this may not be the right fit for you. Number 3. GBST Crack Weeder. It can be challenging to deal with weeds that find their way in between patio pavers, pathways, and even driveways. Rather than attacking them, and your patio, with chemicals, try a weeding tool that's made to tackle the job. The GBST Crack Weeder has an L-shaped blade designed specifically to clean out undesirable plants and grass growing in narrow spaces. Both sides of its 4-inch blade tip are sharpened, so you can use it however you need. It has a sharp edge, and the sawtooth pick, so you can use it to pull weeds out of tight spots or slice them off at the soil level. The L shape of the blade makes it easy to reach into tight corners. This weeding tool is also made from abrasion-resistant stainless steel, which is important because you'll be using it around tough materials like stone, versus in the grass like other weeding tools. Number 4. Worth Garden 34-inch long handle. With an innovative claw extractor design, the Worth Garden Stand-Up Weeder is our pick for the best claw weeder because it removes stubborn weeds straight from the root. With a 34-inch handle, the Worth Garden Claw Weeder is designed with 5 steel claws that surround the weed. Use the foot lever to push the claws into the ground before pulling it up with the weed securely attached. It even has a release button that drops the weed without having to finagle it off by hand. It's especially handy for dealing with prickly weeds such as thistles, and it can penetrate hard soils. This tool is made of durable, zinc-plated, and rust-resistant steel that will withstand the elements. The foam grip handle provides comfort while in use, making it easier to pull up weeds. Though made of metal, this tool is only 2.4 pounds, which makes it an easy gardening companion. Number 5. Cobra Head Original Weeder. If you're looking for a hand weeder, the Cobra Head Original Weeder and Cultivator Garden Hand Tool is the best weeding tool for the job. It doesn't just weed out unwanted garden visitors, it also cultivates, scalps, edges, digs, furrows, plants, transplants, dethatches, and harvests. Its curved steel blade makes it easy to get deep into the ground and pull out weeds, breaking up and plowing almost any soil. Additionally, its slim design, short handle, and cultivating tip ensure precision, helping you work around your plants when weeding. Its blade is made of durable tempered steel, and it only weighs 9.2 ounces, so it's lightweight and easy to carry around your garden. It also has a comfortable handle that can be used by both left-handed and right-handed gardeners. However, the handle isn't cushioned, so it may tire your hands after continued use. Product details: length, 13 inches, material, tempered steel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.